What's going on, gang? Welcome back. To those of you that have been here before, well, welcome if you have not. Hope you enjoy this upcoming video, which is the subject of which is going to be 5 things that I dislike about my Yamaha R1. I ride a 2018 R1 in Yamaha blue, as you can see here. Previous videos, 5 things that I like about my Yamaha R1, so if you haven't seen that one, I'll drop a link down below that you can click on. If you like the video, subscribe, there'll be more content to follow. So let's go ahead and get right to it. First things first, the clutch. No matter how much that we've adjusted it, tried to play with it, you cannot let it out comfortably before the bike is going a good 15 miles an hour. Let it out before then, and it's just not a happy camper whatsoever, like at all actually. It's quick to stall too, like makes it really delicate in low speed maneuvers. Definitely have to practice for sure. Hey, see, it started, well, you probably couldn't see it, but it started to buck pretty quick there. I'll find neutral at some point today. It's a nice bike. Expensive. Happen to know they aren't cheap. Looking at their mountain bikes. So yeah, first thing is definitely the clutch. Second thing I don't really care for is how hot it gets. For whatever reason. I had a 09 also that had the undertail exhaust, and to me, it doesn't get as hot as this thing gets. Like, it is slam ridiculous how hot it gets. I mean, like, my legs right now are hot, and I've been riding literally from the time that you see this video start until right now. It's not like I've been out here for a really long time or anything crazy like that. Nope, not today. So I was getting something to eat, and it was parked in the shade, so it's not like this is heat from the sun or whatever. No. Staying there generally gets hot. Number 3 on my list. I heard some people talking about the new 2020 S1000 RR seat. Well, I'd like to know what that feels like, because this one is not a friend to my ass. It hurts, man. Any amount of time, like, it's hard. And it's just kind of going into number 3, but I mean, excuse me, into number 4, which is, I don't really love the seating position. I feel like for me, with my foot, the rear brake is a problem. My foot is so far forward, it's like I get the ABS kicking in a lot when I'm on the rear brake pedal. Do you guys wave at scooters? I don't, because most of them don't wave back, and then that pisses me off. Because I'm like, I was nice enough to wave at you on a freaking scooter, and you couldn't even wave back. Yeah, so we're saying the seating position, right, for number 4. It makes you just want to, it's hard to stay back on the seat. For me, I'm 6'4", bigger guy, but it's hard to stay back on the seat. It makes you want to slide up and really hug the tank. So not the most comfortable on your junk. Another thing about the seat as well, I forgot to mention, going back to number 3 really quick, is how wide it is. I'm 6'4" and I have pretty long legs, and it's uncomfortable at a stop. It feels like you're getting put in a hard day of horseback riding by the time you get off of this thing sometimes. Like yesterday, for example, I got in a good 4 hours of legit riding, and man was I sore when I woke up today. I was like, who needs legs day when you can ride an R1? Back to the seating position now. Probably get some of this in the video. It's that feels like you're really like out over the front of the bike. So just in my normal riding position right now, head down, eyes up. Like basically what I start to see is like right here in the mirrors. It's like nothing else is up there. It's there. And it's like really a feeling like you're over the bike. And yes, it's nitpicking really. This whole thing is kind of nitpicking. Minus the clutch. Because it's a super bike, right? We know what they're designed to do. We know what they're made for. And it ain't cruising around town. But it does a pretty good job at that. Seen some reviews complaining about the bike as a commuter, saying the throttle is aggressive. I don't have any of those experiences, but I also ride my bike in C mode on the street, unless I'm in the twisties or taking a spirited ride. Number 5 that I really don't like, the fuel mileage. But it's the leader bike, and that is what it is. It's just one of those things. This bike doesn't get great gas mileage, and I mean even compared to some of the competitors in its club. Listen to that cross plane, baby. Woo! Are you cute? I can't tell. Or are you older, lady? Older. Hey man, we're just trying to do the public's work out here. I want you guys to see what I see. This bike attracts some of the strangest people that want to start conversations. I mean, people that you just know can't spell motorcycle or anything about a motorcycle. My buddy has a Gixxer, bro. My buddy this, bro. This guy was telling me his buddy something, it was the only way he had to get down the highway. His buddy just got a GXR 750. And he puts him on a bike. And he's telling me how fast he's going. Oh, she's kind of cute. Telling me how fast he's going. And stuff like that. And I ain't have no other type of way to get to work. So I'm like, oh, okay, cool story, bro. Talking about how he hugged him so tight and he was scared to death on the back. So is your bike fast? Yeah, it's pretty fast. Faster than a 750? Yeah. I get it. Not everybody's gonna know everything about motorcycles. Hell, I don't. But man, he's just a total, like, weirdo, like, creep. It was weird. But yeah. Oh, there we go. Sprinkler City. Always gotta keep your head on a swivel out here, man. Yep, I'm going home to get that visor. And you guys have a good one. Until next time, hope you like the video, like and subscribe.